Hello, my name is Henry Schuck. I'm the founder and CEO of ZoomInfo, and this is this week's In Your Corner. Right now, you have sales reps and sales managers inside of Salesforce looking at new accounts they should be prospecting to, new accounts they have opportunities with, and they're looking at those accounts and they're wondering to themselves, where are the insights? Who's my buying committee at this account? What are they researching on the B2B web? What sort of projects and initiatives are happening at these accounts? Where are the executive moves that have happened at these accounts? How do I get that information at my fingertips instantly so that I can turn my CRM from a system of record to a system of insight? First, let's look at the buying committee. The buying committee here is I'm saying every time there's an account created in Salesforce, who do I want to create alongside from a contact perspective? And so let's say that I sell the VPs of HR. Here in job title, I'm choosing VPs of HR. In job function, I'm choosing human resources. And in management level, I'm choosing VPs. I'm basically telling the system, every time a new account gets created, go ahead and create a VP of human resources at that account as well. That's my buying committee, any VP of HR. In scoops, I can create any types of scoops. I can say, show me personnel moves, show me financial moves, show me projects and initiatives. Under intent, I can also select the specific types of intent that I want to have come over. So show me when the company is spiking on product development or product management or HRIS systems. And so I'm creating that under here in scoops as well. For this, I'm just creating a product development and product management. And now I'm going to hop into Salesforce. I can see here all of the different VPs of HR we created as a result of that rule. Here in intent, you saw that we chose product management and product development as the key intent topics that we wanted to pull over. And so now I can see which one of these specific topics they're actually spiking on. What are they spiking on from a product development, product management perspective? And scoops, we chose financial and personnel moves. And this is a new hire. They just hired a senior director of digital product management for the core commerce service, and we'll automatically create those every time a new record comes in. And then I've got that information directly inside of Salesforce, directly on the object, so I can run reports and motions downstream to have that information at my fingertips.